Hello everybody, it's Laura Van Bertlo with Laura's Creative Corner. I thought I would just do a pop-in little live to introduce you to, well, not introduce you, but let you get to know a couple of my classes that I am offering. One is my online class. It's the Coneflower Celebrations class. The registration ends today. And then the other one is a flash class that I came up with after doing the doing my series. So join me Tuesday night because I'm going to have another online exclusives holiday party series that night. So go ahead and like my page so you'll be notified when I go live on Tuesday at 8 o'clock Central Standard Time. But this one got so much attention that I decided to put it into a flash class. So what it's going to be is it's $65 and you will get the whole stamp set and the hybrid embossing folder. This made so many adorably cute cards, and you will get also, we will cut all the cardstock and designer series paper. You will just need your own set of stamps, so you might already own it, so you might need a substitution, so just contact me for that, and we can always get something equal or lesser value. And there's also another option if you click the link. So there's some options in there so you can take advantage of this class regardless if you have this bundle or not. But I would love for you to get it. I will include the ribbon and any extra designer paper, so you'll get enough to make 2 of each of that one. That was one of my favorites. And this fun one with the Wink of Stella. Really love how that turned out. I literally painted with the Wink of Stella. And then I think this was everybody's favorite. This is the rustic one that really turned out with the 2-tone cardstock. So you'll get 2 of those as well. And then enough for the cute little tag that I made. So you'll get enough for all of that in your class packet. And then the deadline for that is August 1st. There'll be 2 separate links below. One's for the Jolly Holly Christmas, and the other one will be for the Coneflower. I had to look and see what I was, make sure I got everything in there. Okay. Let me move on to the one that's, the registration ends today. And for those of you that love my online classes, I'm almost done with Charming Day. That was my favorite one of the online exclusives. So I decided to go ahead and make it a class, the online class for August. And then we'll probably be hitting holiday stuff starting September. So anyway, so here is the cute little box set. You will get enough supplies to make 2 of these. And you'll also get everything to make these. You will need your own inks. You will need your own stamp sets and the dies. But I will send you any of these labels like this or the window sheet on this one. And there, I also show you the other products that you'll get with this, but I love this one. And the final card, this one, this was inspired by when we went to Disney. Epcot had the flower, I forgot what they called it, but it was a flower garden everywhere. And just, I found flowers that look like this and I just had to replicate it. But what's really cute, whoops, when you lift this up, it's like a little surprise note. And then this on the inside. So you'll have a tutorial that I will send you the first week of August, because I'll be cutting everything this week and getting it ready to ship out for those who did order it. So let's see, we also will send in this online class, you will get a half pack of designer series paper, which is the Woven Textures. So you'll have enough to make more than one card, or more cards, and just because your inspiration is going to get sparked with this. So I would love to see anything that you come up with that's different and new. But you also get a full pack of the low profile dots, a whole spool of the white 1/4 inch ribbon, which is this ribbon. I don't know if you can see the texture, but I love this ribbon. It's really easy to tie with. And so just make sure you either add this on if you need it, because it's an option for add-ons. The class is $39, and you'll get all this consumable supplies plus the card packet. But you will need to make sure you have this and your own inks and adhesives. Again, this is an add-on, or if you already own it, that's great. And yes, if you're a demonstrator, I would love for you to take the class, because we all need inspiration, and sometimes we have sets that we buy and they just sit there. Well, maybe this is what you need to jumpstart your creativity. So be sure to share those with me, and the best way to stay in contact with all my classes that are going on is to sign up for my VIP email link, which I'll also post in the description. So I appreciate you guys letting me hop on and explain these to you, and I can't wait to see who wants to get these and create. Have a great day.